Hi ladies, welcome back to my channel, and if you're one of my regular subscribers, I'd just like to say thank you so much for being here with me again. If this is the first time that you're joining me, I'd like to say welcome. My name is Natasha and I upload videos every Sunday. On my channel you can learn a lot about self-development, self-growth and self-upliftment for women mainly. The boys always ask, what happened to the boys? Well, truth be told, I think I know a lot more about women than I do about men, so hence the reason for my channel being catered mainly to women. Anyways, so getting into the video, if you joined me last week, you would have heard the exciting news that I just launched a brand new book entitled My Level Up Planner and Journal, which is now available on Amazon. Those of you who have already gone out and gotten your copy, I'd like to say thank you so much for getting a copy and congratulations to you because you are now on the path to success. So, those of you who have not yet gotten your copy though, I would advise you to go check it out on Amazon. I promise you, you will absolutely love it. So today's video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to use this planner and journal. But those of you who are not quite certain of how to use it, so come along with me and I'll show you. Ladies, I'm going to be explaining to you how this journal was intended to be used. So I've opened it to your daily planner page, and basically what I've done is to leave out all the dates and the month of the year so that you can put it in yourself. That way you can use this journal, you can start this journal at any time during the year. So here I've gone ahead and put in the year, which is 2021, and we're in the month of July, so I put in July. And because it's Sunday today, I've gone ahead and filled out some of the things in this column. So you've got the Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then at the end of the week you've got your goals that were accomplished this week and things that you can improve on. So here we've got priorities. So what's your priorities for that particular day? What are the things that you think that you really need to get done on that day? They can be simple things or things that are complicated, but that is totally up to you. You have to know what you really want to accomplish in that particular day, and for that I've put the priorities here. So my priorities today are to practice my guitar, work out, and meal prep for the rest of the week. So I've gone ahead and put those in here, and here these gray columns that come down at the side, I have left those out to put your time in. Traditional planners have always given you the time, and for me, using those planners, I always found that I, sometimes wouldn't needed to have all of the times in because I didn't always use all of those, or that I have to just cross that line and go all the way through. But in this planner, I wanted to give you the option to put your time in. That way you would have more space for use. So at 6 a.m. I would read and pray, and I would like to do that for an hour. So I read and pray from 6 a.m. so I put the time in here, 6 a.m. and then at 7 a.m. I want to work out, so I've gone ahead and put 7 a.m. workout. Now I know that when I work out, in my mind I'm working out from 7 to 8, I already know that, and then I would need to take a shower and probably grab some cereal or coffee or a tea, and that'll give me time before I get into my next activity that I want to do, which would be at 9:30. So I've carted this for 9:30, and I will start meal prepping at 9:30. So see, I didn't write 7 to 8 workout, then 8 to 8:15 shower. I didn't do all of that because I have the option to just fill the times in that I need to be filled in. So 9:30 I'll start my meal prep, and I know that that will take me a couple of hours. So I've gone ahead and put 1:30 p.m. here, where I would prepare my Sunday lunch. And yes, I do like having a late lunch. That's just me. So moving on to the end of the week. The end of the week, you would go ahead and fill in all the goals that you accomplished this week and the things that you would like to improve upon. Now, you're probably wondering, where did that come from? Well, I'll tell you, the page before this one shows you a gratitude. On this page, you will see that we have a gratitude page, and on the beginning of this page, we have habits to adopt. And we also have a daily affirmation, and at the beginning of this you have your weekly goals. So here would be the section where I would put in all the habits that I wish to adopt. So for me, this is waking up at 5 a.m. in the morning, reading for half an hour every day, and playing my guitar. So my weekly goals would be to work out every day this week, and maybe even to practice my guitar a little bit more often. So I put these things in here. That's where you come back here to the end of the week. Notice it's after Saturday, and then you get to write in your goals that you've accomplished for this week. So my goal for this week, I managed to wake up every day at 5 a.m. So that was a goal that I accomplished. And I managed to work out every day. So that was another goal that I accomplished. But here are the things that I can improve upon. And it's to practice my guitar more and learn more about my camera. I guess you can tell from the looks of this video that I do need to learn more about my camera. I've been shooting on my phone all the time, but now I've decided to use my Nikon camera, which is for me a whole new ball game. But that's it, ladies. That's the way this journal and planner was intended for use. And of course, journaling is very simple. You would find a space in here for that as well. It's more or less writing your thoughts out on paper. So that's it for today, ladies. I do hope that this video was informative. I hope that it did help you to manage to get all your stuff into your planner and journal and get you on your way to success. My name is Natasha. Just want to send my love to you, and I hope to see you again next week. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, and I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. I'm looking forward to seeing you each and every week right here. It's your girl Natasha saying ciao for now.